So, Samsung is reportedly taking big steps to upgrade its next-gen foldables, and titanium could be at the center of it all. According to a new leak, both the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the long-awaited Tri-Fold Galaxy device might feature titanium components, specifically titanium backplates. This move could help Samsung achieve two major goals, making the phones thinner and significantly lighter. Now, Samsung has already tested titanium in the past. A limited Z Fold Special Edition released in South Korea came with a titanium backplate, but this time it looks like the material will be used more widely. Both the Fold 7 and the Tri-Fold are expected to use titanium in key structural areas, especially on the back, where it adds durability without the extra bulk. For those unfamiliar, the backplate is a crucial element in foldables. It reinforces the hinge area and supports the foldable display. Earlier Galaxy Fold models used stainless steel, which was strong but heavy. From the Z Fold 3 onwards, Samsung moved to carbon fiber to cut weight. Interestingly, carbon fiber is already lightweight and even more expensive to produce in some cases. But titanium strikes a better balance between strength and slimness, which might be what Samsung is going for now. Another possible change? Samsung might drop the S Pen digitizer from the Fold 7 entirely. Removing it could help slim the device down considerably. While that might sound like a step back, Samsung reportedly has a backup plan. They're working on a new OLED display technology that supports stylus input without needing a built-in digitizer, much like Apple's implementation of Apple Pencil support. That would allow them to keep S Pen functionality without compromising on thickness. If Samsung really follows through, we're looking at the slimmest, most lightweight Galaxy Fold yet, possibly even more competitive against the ever-sleeker Chinese foldables on the market. Of course, the elephant in the room is price. Titanium isn't cheap, and combining that with new OLED panel tech might push the cost higher. But if Samsung can deliver a better user experience in a thinner package, it might be worth it. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to launch in early July, and with leaks heating up, we might see official renders or retail listings pop up any day now. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Samsung Tri-Fold? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.